Hey guys, so I am coming to you here New Year's Day to wish you guys a very happy New Year's. And also, I didn't end up making an intro for this video, but this is my makeup look that I will be showing in this video. I don't do any talking in it whatsoever, so most likely I'll just have music playing in the background. But make sure to check the description box of all the products that I used, and also my thoughts on each product, especially the new ones that I am currently just testing out. I did my makeup around 6 o'clock. It is currently, hey Google, what time is it? 1:58. It is currently 1:58 a.m. January 1st, 2019, and honestly, my makeup has lasted pretty well. It's really hot in my house right now, so I've been sweating a lot, but it's really held up. You know, like, I didn't expect it to hold up this well. But yeah, so please make sure to stay tuned to figure out how I got this New Year's Eve look, which could be worn pretty much on any like outing occasion whatsoever. And also, do not forget to click the subscribe button. This year, I am making it my mission to be consistent with my videos and my content, and make sure I'm putting out good content, so you will most likely be getting at least 2 videos a week. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. I will also have it linked down in the description box below, as well as up here, and make sure to check out those videos. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed and have stuck with me this far. It honestly means the world to me, and I have so many amazing things planned for this year, and I'm really motivated, and I'm just so excited for what this year has to hold. So I'm done rambling. Make sure to continue watching to see how I got this very sexy, very cute New Year's Eve look. I'm gonna go back and enjoy the rest of the party, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.